Listening. I'm listening. I am listening for peace. Can you hear a siren in the background? Can you hear the traffic rushing? Will you listen to the sounds around you? Sounds of urgent pleas for peace. Listening. In the Michael Chekhov Way, we can work with listening as receiving. What would you like someone to listen to? Maybe you could post in the comments. What would you like someone to hear? But not just hear, because there's a difference between hearing and listening. Imagine that listening is a process of receiving not just the sounds, the airplane coming in, or the siren fading away, or the words lingering on the person's lips as I sit before them, but what is behind it? What is the meaning? What is the feeling? What is the intent behind what is being said? Are we willing to listen to each other? How do you know when someone is listening to you? And how do you feel when you felt heard? When we feel someone is truly listening to us with compassion, with their heart, with an open mind, and a will that's willing to receive what's being given, how do we experience ourselves then? When we listen to another, it is a gift we give to them, and it is a gift we give ourselves. It is a loving expansion. Michael Chekhov talks about love as a constant state of expansion, and listening, not just hearing the words, but truly listening to what is behind the words. What is the invisible gesture that is coming to you, that you have an opportunity to receive and respond to? How often when we're listening are we thinking, I agree with that person, or I disagree with that person. Oh yes, they like what I like. And we pick out the selective aspects of what we're hearing in a yes, I'm right, they're right, or I'm right and they're wrong. We often go into a state of hearing with judgments and assessments and evaluations as to what is being said and how it aligns with our own personal lower ego point of view. Is it possible to receive objectively and to put a pause on our own thoughts while listening to another and objectively opening, receiving what they are giving to us? What is being radiated to us? What are we being asked to receive? And can we notice the peace that we experience when we have expressed ourselves to someone who will listen? How many times do you just think, listen to me, please, listen? Because you want to be heard and seen and felt and known and respected. Listening. We each can master the art of objective and compassionate listening as a path to nonviolent communication, as a path toward peace. Listen. I hope you're listening to me, and I hope you will share with me, post a comment on what you would like someone to listen to from you. listen? I will listen if you ask me to.